Murimu wa coronavirus urathie na mbere gutherema guku bururi-ini, kaunti ya Nairobi na Mombasa igithie na mbere gutongoria na namba ya arwaru. Gatagati ka andu ikumi aria mekiritwo mukonde gukorwo na murimu uyu muthenya wa umuthi, kenda ni aikari ya kaunti ya Mombasa, umwe akiuma itura-ini ria Kawangware guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi.
This brings to total 384 total number of positive cases in the country. From the number tested, 284 samples were from Nairobi, while 89 were from Mombasa. All the 9 cases in Mombasa were picked from the community by our disease surveillance teams.
Kuringana na Mwandiki mutafariri ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Dagitari Mwandiki, thirikari ni iramurikana kinyi kaunti ici cieri na ona hihi kugatha kamba makiria gwakinya ni mikana iria gathikitwo.
From the data that we are synthesizing, we are noting that in the beginning of this scourge, we had most of the cases being imported cases, but right now the tables have turned and most of our cases are coming from local transmission within our communities. And so our containment measures are quite crucial at this point.
Kaunti ingi nacio ni ciuritio kwaga kuregeria murugamo hari kuhurana na murimu uyu, na ithenya-ini riu gutigirira mitaratara mikinyaniru ni yagathikwo niguo kunyihia ugwati wa murimu uyu.
For as we spotlight Nairobi and Mombasa and ensure that we enhance our interventions there, this is not a license for other counties to celebrate and to drop their guard. Rather, it is a call to action for the rest of the country to enhance the containment measures and to ensure that the virus is kept at bay and the curve is flattened.
Gukinyithia riu namba ya andu aria marikitie gucokereria micini thutha wa kuhona ni yongererekete na gukinyithia andu 129, ona gutuika thirikari irauga kuri na mateta ati arwaru aya ni makoretwo magithutukanio macoka micini.
We have reports of stigmatization by members of the community for our recovered cases, and this is unfortunate considering our constant appeal and massive education to ensure that people are accepted back in the community.
Gukiri uguo a Kenya ni moritio kuhimbiria arunao na kumonia wendo riria macokereria micini.
Stigmatization will lead to few Kenyans accepting to be tested, and it will frustrate the efforts that we are putting on the ground to ensure that we flatten this curve.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, a Kenya ni moritio guthie na mbere guthingata mawatho na mitaratara iria gathikitwo ni thirikari na makiria muno kuri aria mararutira wira muingi-ini kuria murimu uyu ungitherema na njira ya naihenya.
What we are doing is that we're going to deploy more surveillance teams. You'll be seeing all the different markets which have been marked as possible hotspots having increased surveillance, having increased measures in terms of fumigation. We have a team that has come together with a schedule of how that will look like, but also coming up with innovative ways of how Mama Mboga can still continue with her trade, but ensure that social distance is facilitated.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.